Very good evening, friends. This is Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer at Treasury Consulting and also a venture capitalist. Treasury Consulting is a well diversified group having offices across the globe. And we are valued around 500 million US dollars with 0% funding from venture capitalists and 100% cash rich company. From the last 2 months, I was facing one difficult question before me every day, that the time has come when Treasury Consulting should launch FNO desk. FNO stands for Future and Option Desk. But I was not been able to get time to make this happen because life is really tough. You need to read a lot of research, magazines, newspaper, WhatsApp messages, emails, and especially when currencies, commodities, equities are highly volatile. Today also there is a link which came to me which suggests that the voting machine in the US is having some issue and Donald Trump may be the next US president. Well, if I look right now on Bloomberg, there is no such discussion pertaining to that regard. But at the same point of time, I'm not in a position to say that this link is incorrect because I'm not an expert as far as the American voting machine system is concerned, to be very honest. That how are they counting? But I need to read this video in a detail and I need to understand the background of this video and I need to understand what would if this video is really authenticate in nature. But yes, from the last 2 to 3 months, I was in a serious thinking launching FNO desk of Treasury Consulting. I was 27 when I launched my first book about options. Unfortunately, my second book is pending from the last 2 years because I'm not been able to devote time to my second book and it's about interest rate hedging. Hopefully, like every year I make a resolution to make my book. Hopefully if in 2021 I will launch my second book under the brand name of Treasury Consulting. No publisher is required. We are launching our FNO desk. The procedure, the joining formalities of FNO desk to be shared next week in public domain. And I have decided personally that in the first quarter, which is January, February, March, basically I can say till first quarter, January, February, March 21, I would be having limited members in my FNO desk. Limited members, not more. I have decided that I will have maximum 26 members in my FNO desk till March. Maybe the registrations would be much more, but I would be having only 26 members, not more. We are starting this desk effective 1st December 2020. Few formalities are required. We complete these formalities and I think we are more or less ready to launch this desk. More importantly, very important thing is this desk fees, joining formalities and anything will definitely come in public domain, but we have decided to keep this desk relatively free at least till March 2021. Probably after March 2021 we would definitely increasing the prices. So the first 26 registrations will only pay 1700 per year, which means if they join from 1st December till next December 21, they would be paying 1700. And we will definitely hike the fees after March 2021, which effectively April 2021. But before I conclude, let me remind you that this desk will only be covering the FNO about Indian markets, which includes Nifty FNO, Bank Nifty FNO, stocks FNO, and different option strategies, and so on and so forth. Only FNO. Rather, and this group will not be able to cover any positional trades like buy and hold. More importantly, Treasury Consulting Group also launching a YouTube series which is talking about only FNO, which means that this series practically do not talk it about the fundamentals of the stock, example, how the fundamental is going on, and so on and so forth. This group will only talk about the FNO of this stock, or maybe index, or maybe I would say ETFs also, to be honest. And this YouTube series, which is FNO classes, we titled this as TCG, Treasury Consulting Group FNO classes, and we would be launching this YouTube series today on our YouTube channel. I would like to tell you one thing before I conclude this video, that, and rather I challenge the way I speak, and I love to speak. It was only the time that not led us to enter into the FNO earliest, but you know our research very well. That's a separate thing, that the people, those who are paid, they come and speak against, who cares? Elephant walk, dog speak. I tell you the kind of option strategies which we would be sharing in public domain. I challenge if anyone can even near to that. That's my challenge. And Treasury Consulting is also promising you people that we would be linking this with Reuters and Bloomberg. Today we are the only channel on the YouTube who linked the YouTube videos with Reuters. 2 such videos are live and more videos are coming. So the FNO desk which we are launching would link with Reuters, and the FNO series which we are launching on YouTube link with Thomson Reuters. That I'm assuring you. This series will let the young guns who are very closer to my heart. I'm also a young gun, by the way, turning 37 next year, right? The series will let the young guns who are closer to my heart to understand that options is like an ocean, and exploring an ocean in a limited lifetime is maybe theoretically possible, but practically not possible. That is my words. And do not forget that Treasury Consulting capabilities in foreign exchange market and options market and research is way beyond even a bank. We often challenge big fours, central banks, individual banks, US banks, research agencies, and now we are going to be shooting a pretty important video about how to manage FX reserves. With this, we definitely thank you very much. You know our WhatsApp 9818485155. Treasury Consulting is committed to give maximum to the society, and majority of that is free. More than 5,000 videos on the YouTube, linking of Reuters with the YouTube, giving the knowledge which people try to hide behind the curtains, analyzing the information which people cannot see in newspapers, and many more things. But still, if you see category people are not happy, this is Rahul from Treasury Consulting. You know our WhatsApp 9818485155. Today is 19th November. How many days left for FNO desk? Calculate and let me know. You will get 500 rupees as a Google Pay. Have a good time.